Take a look at this dusty basement. Cracked walls, deep holes, and plenty of signs of mice, insects, and cobwebs. It was a space most people would avoid. But now, look at it after our team got to work. The walls are smooth, bright, and completely sealed, and we didn't stop there. We also installed a waterproof system to keep this basement as dry as a desert. This job takes place in the heart of West Mount Airy, Philadelphia, a neighborhood known for its charming coffee shops and large stone homes with spacious but often dusty basements. Our goal here is to turn this old, damp space into a clean, dry, and usable part of the home that matches the charm of the house above. We have already applied one solid coat of cement to all the walls. Before moving on to the final coat, we are taking an extra waterproofing step on the lower right walls. This membrane forms a barrier that blocks any potential water intrusion and helps to protect the wall from getting wet. In addition, we have installed a sump pump and perforated waterproofing plumbing around the perimeter of the foundation to capture any water that may come through the walls or floor. This basement originally had a dirt floor that allowed moisture and rats to enter easily. We're replacing it with a vapor barrier, a layer of stone, and 3 inches of concrete, creating a floor that blocks rodents, prevents moisture, and provides our client with a large, strong, and stable leveled floor. This floor is receiving a smooth trowel finish, making it easy to sweep and mop. The smooth surface not only looks clean and professional, but also helps keep the basement free of dust and debris. Once the walls are fully dry, we'll move on to spraying 2 coats of bright white waterproofing paint to really bring this basement to life. This paint not only brightens the space, but also helps control dust and moisture, keeping the walls clean, dry, and easy to maintain. Moving along. It's very important to prep the floor before applying paint. We make sure to vacuum thoroughly, removing all dust and loose debris that could keep the paint from bonding properly to the surface. Before rolling the paint onto the floor, we meticulously trim all the edges with a brush. This step might look simple, but it's what gives the job that clean, professional finish. This job is now complete. The walls are smooth and perfectly flat, and beneath this new floor lies a well-built waterproofing system designed to keep the basement dry and protected for years to come. If you've enjoyed watching this basement transformation in West Mount Airy, Philadelphia, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want to see more Philly basements go from a dungeon to a clean, bright space. And don't forget to subscribe to Dependable Concrete. We share real basement transformations and practical tips to help you turn your dusty, damp basement into a clean, comfortable, and enjoyable room in your home.